Take a slow breath and gently close your eyes. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be. Tonight, we are drifting through time, far beyond human history, far beyond memory, far beyond even the stars. The universe began about 13.8 billion years ago, not as an explosion in space, but as the expansion of space itself. In the very beginning, there was no light, no atoms, no stars, only energy, hot, dense, unimaginably small. And then expansion. Cooling, particles forming, hydrogen, helium, simple elements drifting in a dark sea. For millions of years, the universe was silent. No stars had formed yet. No galaxies, only darkness slowly preparing itself for light. Then gravity began to gather matter. Clouds of gas collapsed inward. Pressure increased. Temperature rose, and the first stars ignited. The cosmic dawn. Light returned to existence. These early stars were massive, brilliant, short-lived. They burned quickly. They died violently, and in their death, they created heavier elements. Carbon, oxygen, iron, the ingredients for planets, for oceans, for life, for you. Now imagine billions of galaxies, each one containing billions of stars, spirals, ellipticals, clusters drifting apart. The universe expanding a little faster every second, space itself stretching. Galaxies moving away from one another, not because they are traveling through space, but because space is growing between them. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, one quiet spiral among trillions. Inside it, a small yellow star, the Sun, orbiting the center once every 225 million years. And around this star, a small blue planet. On that planet, life. For a brief moment. But stars do not live forever. The Sun is middle-aged. In about 5 billion years, it will expand. It will swell into a red giant. Mercury will disappear. Venus will burn. Earth's oceans will evaporate into steam. Mountains will melt. The sky will glow red. And eventually, the outer layers of the Sun will drift away. What remains will be a white dwarf. Small, dense, cooling slowly for trillions of years. Most stars end this way, not with violence, but with fading, quiet, gradual. Like embers in a dying fire. Now let us move forward in time, hundreds of billions of years. Star formation slows, gas clouds are used up. New stars stop being born. The night sky grows darker. Galaxies drift farther apart. Eventually, distant galaxies disappear from view, not because they are gone, but because their light can no longer reach us. The universe expands too quickly. The observable universe shrinks. Trillions of years pass. Only long-lived red dwarf stars remain. They burn slowly, very slowly. Some could shine for 10 trillion years, but even they will one day run out of fuel. And when they do, no new stars replace them. The era of starlight ends. Darkness returns. But this darkness is different. It is not waiting for light. It is the result of light being finished. White dwarfs cool. They become black dwarfs. Cold. Invisible. Dead remnants of former suns. Neutron stars spin quietly. Pulsars slow down. Black holes remain, silent, watching nothing. And yet, even black holes are not eternal. Over unimaginable timescales, they lose energy, very slowly, through a process called Hawking radiation. Particle by particle, they evaporate. A supermassive black hole might take 10 to the power of 100 years to disappear. A number so large the human mind cannot hold it, but eventually, even they fade. Now imagine the universe after the last black hole vanishes. No stars, no planets, no light, only scattered particles, electrons, positrons, photons drifting in endless expansion. Temperature approaches absolute zero. Energy spreads evenly. Nothing moves with purpose. Nothing changes. This is called heat death. Not an explosion, not collapse, but equilibrium. Perfect balance. No gradients. No differences, and without differences, no events. Time continues, but nothing happens. Pause for a moment. Breathe. Imagine a universe where nothing ever changes again. No sunrise, no heartbeat, no thought, only stillness. Infinite, unbroken. And yet, here you are, in a tiny window of time, between the first stars and the final darkness. Aware, thinking about the end while existing near the beginning, because compared to eternity, we are still in the early universe. Life emerged quickly. Consciousness followed. And for a brief flicker, the universe became self-aware through you. Your thoughts are patterns of energy, temporary arrangements of matter, atoms forged in ancient stars. When you breathe, you inhale particles older than Earth. When you think, the universe examines itself for a moment before returning to silence. Perhaps the most astonishing thing is not that the universe will end, but that it ever produced awareness at all. Out of chaos came structure. Out of structure came chemistry. Out of chemistry came life. Out of life came mind. And out of mind came the question, how does it all end? Maybe the universe will expand forever. Maybe dark energy grows stronger. Maybe space itself tears apart. Galaxies ripped first, then stars, then planets, then atoms. A scenario called the Big Rip. Or perhaps gravity wins. Expansion slows, reverses, everything collapses inward. Galaxies fall together, temperature rises, space shrinks, ending in a big crunch. But current evidence suggests the slow fading, the quiet cooling, the endless dilution of energy. And there is something strangely peaceful about that ending. No fire, no scream, no final flash. Gradual rest. The universe lying down after a very long day. Now return your attention to your breathing. Slow, steady. You exist in the warm era of stars, in the age of light. Breathing. Slow, steady. You exist in the warm era of stars, in the age of light, in a time where atoms still dance, where gravity still gathers, where energy still flows. This era is temporary, but it is here now, and that is enough. Somewhere in the far future, nothing will remember this moment. No record will remain, no trace of Earth, no trace of humanity. But that does not make this moment smaller. It makes it rarer, more delicate, more extraordinary. You are a brief alignment of cosmic forces, a short-lived pattern in a vast field of probability. And that is not tragic. It is beautiful, because it means against all odds, for a tiny slice of eternity, the universe is awake. Take one final slow breath. The weight of your body, the softness beneath you, the quiet of the room, the distant echo of cosmic time stretching in all directions. The universe began, it will end, and in between there is this breath, this awareness, this calm. Let the stars fade gently. Let the galaxies drift away. Let time stretch into silence. You do not need to hold it together. The universe has always known how to unfold, and now you can rest, drift, slowly, into sleep. A slow breath, and let it go. Feel the weight of your body, sinking gently into your bed, into the softness beneath you. Notice your arms, your legs, your shoulders, all releasing, letting go. Nothing is holding you up. Nothing needs your attention. Your mind may wander. That's perfectly fine, like a drifting cloud. Thoughts float by slowly, calmly. No urgency, no force. Now imagine the vast violet space above you. Endless nebula clouds swirling gently, stars blinking softly, a distant lullaby of the universe, soothing, peaceful, hypnotic. Each exhale sends tension away. Each inhale fills you with calm. Feel the rhythm, slow, steady, matching the gentle expansion of the cosmos. The universe has all the time, and so do you. There is no need to hurry, no need to struggle, simply exist. Floating, drifting, aligned with the soft hum of space. If your mind is restless, picture a galaxy spiraling slowly, purple arms stretching into the dark. Everything moves at its own pace. And so can you. Breathe in, breathe out. Allow your thoughts to soften like stars fading in the distance. No effort, no pressure, only calm, only gentle motion. Perhaps a shooting star passes, quickly, silently. But you do not follow, you remain still, watching, floating, resting, every cell of your body relaxing deeper. Now imagine drifting even further. Through the quiet void, nebula clouds brushing past, cosmic dust softly swirling around, all colors muted. Violet, indigo, soft glow, gentle light, calmness filling every corner. If your eyes open, it does not matter. Your body sleeps, your mind floats, your soul drifts through infinite space. Each breath, slower, deeper, like waves on a cosmic ocean, flowing, ebbing, no rush, no concern, only softness, only stillness. Even if thoughts return, notice them and let them go back into the vast night, back into the violet cosmos. You do not hold them. They are not yours to carry. You are free, weightless, at peace. The stars shine distant and calm. The galaxies drift, and you drift with them. Each exhale carries you further into the quiet, into the gentle dark, into sleep.